Hi friend, welcome to yet another video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can add team members to our website. So first of all, we'll just add a new plugin for this. I'll click on add new and I'll search for team members. Now there are a variety of plugins which you will come across, but my favorite is one by WP Darko. And why I love this plugin is because you don't have to do any resizing of the images and anything. Also, if you can see, there are already 40,000 plus active installs which are already there in this specific plugin. So next, I'll just click on install now and activate the plugin. Once the plugin has been activated, on the left hand side, you can see that there is something called as team members that has been added to the menu. So if you can see teams, this menu has been added to the uh, dashboard menu. Here there is all teams and add new. So first we will go to add new. Since there are no teams added, we'll need to add new. Here you can give the name of the team. For example, it could be a founder team. The team who has started this company, you can name it the so and so. Next, we'll add the member here. So I'll just click on add member. There are various options which are there. Number one, we can have the first name of the member. So here I just enter John Doe. This is a dummy name, of course. I can name it CEO. Link type, we can have their social profile links as well added here. Title, LinkedIn profile, or LinkedIn connect on LinkedIn. And then we can have the profile link. So I'll just add linkedin.com as of now, but you can actually add their profile links here. Next, edit the bio. So you can also edit the bio here. You can add their bio. So now we can just write about the CEO of the company. Just write dummy text here. But in your case, you can actually write the complete bio that requires to be done. One thing that I would recommend is you can have the bio length to be, equal. So that, the heights will be equal. We'll talk more about this once we actually see this plugin in action. Next, we can add the photo. Members photo can be added or upload photo. Right now, I don't have any photo, so what we can do is we can just pick up profile picture from Google and we can just take dummy images from here. Let's just take this specific image which is there, and I will just save this image and I can save it in the desktop and I can upload the image. You can choose the image from the media library also, or you can just upload this image. So here is the image, and I will use this image. You can add a photo link also if you don't want to upload it. If the link is already there somewhere, you can add that link also. That is something which I don't personally recommend because if the image has been removed from that specific website, then here we will see a broken image. Now we can clone this as it is. So since we want to use the same format, we can just clone this. Uh, I can just click on clone, and we can see a duplicate, member page getting created. So I can name this as, for example, uh, John J. Okay, I'm just using random name, and this guy can be a CTO of a company. Here I can edit the bio again about the CTO of the company, and here I can add about the CTO, about the CTO. Okay, so I'll not change all of them, but okay, let me just change all of them. So it looks good basically. And now I'll just update this. LinkedIn again, we can update the link here. photo, we'll delete this photo, we'll upload another photo. I just clicked on the delete icon to do that. I'll show it to you again. So use this photo here. Can you see the pin icon which is there? You can just delete it from here. We can pick up another photo. Let me just pick this one. Okay, same image, and it's saved as photo. Let me just see, where did I save it? Okay, it's on the desktop itself. So I can just upload this, and here we go. So basically, this image has been uploaded, and I'll use this image again. Okay. Now, ideally, it's recommended to have the same height and width image. So, for example, if this is a square image, you can have this square image also. I'm not bothering much about that as of now. We'll just focus on seeing how this plugin works in action. Okay. Now, there's one more important setting which is there. Okay. Before that, let's see how this works. So, I'll just click on publish, and this information will get published. Next, what I can do is I can use the short code which is given here. You can see the short code here. I can just copy paste the short code on the page wherever I want it to be visible. So basically, I can just create a dummy page. I'll click on add new page. It's not necessary for you to create a new page. You can have it anywhere, place the short code anywhere in any of the pages, and you'll be able to see that. Okay, so I'll just name it our team, and I'll just click on preview, and we can see the image has come in this. Okay. Okay, there's a link which is coming here. Get started with CA Final MCQ questions. That is an add insertion which is done. So that's why it is coming. Also, we can change the layout of this page. We can have it a no sidebar full width layout. So in that case, your team member will look much more efficient. Now we can disable the ad which is there. Okay, I'll just see their advanced ads. Uh, Okay, so by the time I do that, I'll just come back to the settings here. So here you can change the main color. So main color you can use the default one, or if you have the color code, you can use that. Let me use 006699. This is my favorite color, and we can just update it here. And let me just publish this page. So it's easier for us to actually see how it looks every time. And we can just open it here. And if you see, the color of the line has changed. The best part about this plugin is that irrespective of the image size, the images have, you know, taken have become of the same size. So that's one advantage. One disadvantage though is if the content is not symmetric, it will be of different heights. So that is one disadvantage which is there. Again, you can have a equalizer, okay, which comes with a paid plugin. So if you go with a paid version of this plugin, you will have an equalizer, but you can use a simple CSS trick to equalize the height, so that should not be an issue. Also, you can choose how many do you want per line. So I'll just quickly clone the first one again and again. One best way to see how many of the members you have, you can just see collapse all. So you can collapse all and you can see all the members there. You can reshuffle the order as well. So let's say if I want the John Day to be number one, I can just click on the up arrow. If I want to move it down, I can just click the down arrow and it is sorted. You can click on instant preview and you can see how it looks. Since it is three per the line, it's showing that way. If we do four per line, it will come all will come in one line itself. So you can just see how it's looking, and you can just change the structure of it accordingly. I just click on update again, and now you see it is four in line. LinkedIn icon is also working. If you want, you can add more social medias also. Along with LinkedIn, if you want to add YouTube, you can do that. Subscribe on YouTube, and you can have the YouTube link, okay, and so on and so forth. So basically, it's a quite straightforward team member plugin, and you don't have to worry about a lot of things here. So we have got the YouTube thing. About the height, so let's say if you want all of them to look equal, the height should be equal. So you can do it with a simple CSS trick. So you can pick up, you can do an inspect element. You can see the one which has got the highest. So it's 4996. It is the height is 496. Here the height is 430. So basically, you can give a default height of 500. So what I can do is I can just see this class team member, okay, and I can just do it. Height is 500 pixels. So basically, the height will be 500 pixels per this. So let me just actually change it to min height, and let me just mark it as important. Okay, this is quite not working, but okay, I have to pick this class and do that. Okay, sure. So let me just go back here. What I'll do is I'll just go to the text. Uh, let's try doing this. Let's style, and this is a style tag. This is HTML basically. This is CSS basically, and I'll just see what class it is. It is tmm.container. That is okay. Sorry, I was getting it in the wrong place. So here basically tmm text block is what I need to edit, and I can just give a simple CSS min height 500 pixels, and I can give it important, and we can just update this. Okay, so let's see if this works or not, and I think it should work. So see, all of them are of equal height now. So you need not go with a paid feature or paid plugin. If you are just looking for the height, you can simply use this code tmm underscore text block, and min height 500 I've kept, but actually it's 490. You can keep it 480 pixels, something of that sort should work. And then we can just refresh this page, and the height is reduced. So if you just look at this, all the elements, the height of the box is same for all the elements. So don't bother about this text. Get started with TMCQ for free. This is basically the add insertion which I put in here. So let's say if I just quickly edit this and I put it in draft and I update this. And now if I refresh this page, and it's gone. So see, basically everything is in line. The description, if you're keeping of equal line, it definitely is going to be of a good, it's going to look symmetric. On the other hand, you can use the custom CSS tag, and you can make them of the same height. Okay, so I hope you learned something new in this video. All the best for your WordPress.